So this is a very interesting question. Email deliverability is one of the things to be successful with your email marketing. As you probably know or you don't know, the email market is growing year over year. And if you own a company, you know that the first thing that you do if someone joins to your company, you open an email address. So the number of email addresses around the world is growing year over year, and this is super clear. But email marketing or sales with emails or email outreach will not be effective if your emails will not land in the inbox. If they will land in the spam, it will be a problem. So this is why landing into the inbox, into the primary folder of the email is super important. And this is what means email deliverability. If your email deliverability is high, in a good shape, you will land in the inbox. And this is the main problem that we are solving in our company. This is what I'm passionate about. So what can cause email deliverability issues? A lot of things, but I will tell you about the main. The first thing is if your settings and all the technical things are not set up correctly. The names are a bit scary, but it's SPF, DKIM, DMARC, and a bit more, but in general these are the names. The settings can be hurting if you don't have them correct. So this is the first thing. And the second, if your domain or IP reputation are bad, and if Google don't like your domain and you had a very bad score in your domain and IP. And the third thing is your message. What you are sending can be also hurting your email deliverability. And the last one is to whom you are sending. If you're sending to the wrong people or your emails are bouncing, I mean, if you're sending to the email addresses that are not existing, this can be very painful, and then you will see the decline in your emails going to the inbox. It means less people will see your message, less engagement, and you probably will not hit the goals of sending your emails.